Ivanti Neurons Online Training. Introduction to EV Service Manager. Ivanti Neurons is a platform designed to revolutionize IT operations and automation, providing organizations with the tools to manage and optimize their IT environments. By leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and automation, Ivanti Neurons helps organizations deliver smarter, faster, and more efficient IT services. Here's an introduction to its key features and capabilities. 1. AI-driven IT operations. Ivanti Neurons utilizes AI and ML to provide insights and predictive capabilities that enhance IT operations. It can analyze vast amounts of data from across the IT infrastructure to identify patterns, predict issues before they occur, and recommend proactive actions. This helps reduce downtime and improve the overall efficiency of IT systems. 2. Automation of routine tasks. With Ivanti Neurons, IT teams can automate repetitive tasks and processes, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives. The platform supports automation for a wide range of IT operations, from patch management and endpoint security to ticketing and user request handling, streamlining workflows and improving response times. 3. Unified IT management. Ivanti Neurons integrates with various IT systems and tools to create a unified view of the IT environment. This centralized approach allows IT teams to monitor, manage, and optimize their infrastructure, services, and endpoints more effectively. By reducing the complexity of managing disparate systems, Ivanti Neurons enables better decision-making and faster incident resolution. 4. Self-healing IT. One of the standout features of Ivanti Neurons is its ability to support self-healing IT systems. The platform can detect issues in real time and automatically trigger corrective actions, minimizing the need for manual intervention. This helps to maintain system uptime and ensures that IT services remain operational without disruption. 5. Security and compliance. Ivanti Neurons integrates IT asset management and security to ensure compliance with organizational policies and regulatory standards. The platform helps manage vulnerabilities, automate security patching, and enhance the overall security posture of IT infrastructure. 6. IT Service Management, ITSM, Enhancement. Ivanti Neurons extends traditional IT service management, ITSM, capabilities by integrating AI-powered virtual agents that can assist users, automate service requests, and resolve incidents. This accelerates ticket resolution times and enhances user satisfaction. 7. Predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and using advanced analytics, Ivanti Neurons can predict potential system failures or bottlenecks before they impact the business. These predictions allow IT teams to take preventative measures, thereby improving overall operational efficiency. 8. Customization and scalability. Ivanti Neurons offers flexibility in terms of customization and scalability, allowing organizations to tailor the platform to their unique needs. Whether it's automating specific workflows or integrating with existing tools, Ivanti Neurons can scale to support businesses of all sizes. How Ivanti Neurons enhances IT asset management. Ivanti Neurons enhances IT asset management, ITM, by leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and automation to provide a more efficient, intelligent, and proactive approach to managing IT assets. Here's how Ivanti Neurons enhances ITM. Automation of asset discovery. Ivanti Neurons uses automated discovery tools to identify and track IT assets across the network, including hardware, software, and virtual assets. This reduces manual effort and ensures accurate, real-time visibility into all assets. AI and machine learning. By integrating AI and ML, Ivanti Neurons can predict asset usage patterns, life cycle stages, and potential issues before they arise. These insights help IT teams make informed decisions about asset procurement, usage, and disposal, optimizing resource allocation and minimizing costs. Unified data management. Ivanti Neurons centralize asset data, providing a single source of truth for IT asset management. This unified approach ensures consistency, improves reporting accuracy, and simplifies compliance with regulatory requirements. Life cycle management. The platform enhances life cycle management by automatically tracking the entire journey of an asset, from procurement through deployment, usage, maintenance, and eventual disposal. This helps optimize asset utilization and reduce downtime. Proactive risk management. With real-time monitoring and AI-driven analytics, Ivanti Neurons can identify risks related to hardware failure, software vulnerabilities, or compliance violations. This enables IT teams to take proactive measures, reducing the risk of costly disruptions. Cloud integration. Ivanti Neurons integrates with cloud services and infrastructure, providing visibility into both on-premise and cloud-based assets. This ensures that hybrid IT environments are managed effectively, with seamless coordination between on-premises and cloud assets. Cost optimization. The platform helps organizations optimize IT asset costs by identifying underutilized assets, reducing unnecessary purchases, and improving asset allocation. This results in significant savings over time. Compliance and auditing. Ivanti Neurons ensures that organizations maintain compliance with licensing agreements, regulations, and internal policies by providing detailed reports and alerts about non-compliance risks. Automated audits reduce the burden on IT teams and improve overall compliance. Seamless integration with other IT management functions. Ivanti Neurons integrates with other IT service management, ITSM, tools, IT security platforms, and business systems. This facilitates better coordination between asset management and other functions like incident management, change management, and security management. Ivanti Neurons for service management, streamlining processes with AI. Ivanti Neurons for service management leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to streamline and enhance various IT service management, ITSM, processes. By integrating AI, automation, and machine learning, Ivanti Neurons transforms traditional service management into a more efficient and intelligent system. Here's how it helps streamline processes. 1. Automated service desk. AI-driven chatbots. Ivanti Neurons incorporates AI-powered chatbots that handle routine inquiries, ticket creation, and basic troubleshooting, allowing service agents to focus on more complex issues. Incident resolution automation. AI can auto-categorize, prioritize, and route incidents to the right support teams, ensuring faster resolution times and reduced human error. 2. Predictive analytics. Proactive incident management. By analyzing historical data, AI predicts potential issues before they impact end users, allowing IT teams to take preventive actions. Forecasting demand. AI models can predict ticket volumes or resource requirements, helping teams better allocate resources and plan for peak periods. 3. Knowledge management. AI-powered knowledge base. The system can automatically suggest relevant articles, guides, and solutions based on the nature of the incident, helping resolve issues faster without needing human intervention. Continuous learning. The AI can learn from past interactions to improve its suggestions over time. 4. Intelligent automation. Automated workflow orchestration. Repetitive tasks such as password resets, software provisioning, or ticket routing are automated, reducing manual effort and improving operational efficiency. End-to-end process automation. By integrating AI with automation platforms, processes like onboarding, approvals, and incident escalation can be automated from start to finish. 5. Self-service optimization. AI-enhanced self-service portal. AI guides users to solutions through an intuitive self-service portal, allowing employees to resolve common issues independently and freeing up IT staff for more complex tasks. Natural language processing. NLP AI can understand user queries in natural language, making it easier for employees to request services or report issues. 6. Personalization and customization. Contextual recommendations. Based on user history and preferences, Ivanti Neurons offers personalized suggestions, improving the user experience and reducing the time spent searching for solutions. 7. Continuous improvement. AI-driven performance monitoring. AI tracks system performance and service desk efficiency, providing actionable insights and suggesting process improvements. Feedback loops. The system uses feedback from users and agents to constantly refine processes, improving the overall service management experience. 8. Improved security and compliance. Risk detection. AI can identify security risks or non-compliance issues within service management processes, ensuring that IT operations adhere to industry regulations and internal policies. Leveraging Ivanti Neurons for predictive analytics and insights. Ivanti Neurons is a suite of AI-driven solutions designed to help organizations optimize their IT operations through automation, predictive analytics, and insights. Leveraging Ivanti Neurons for predictive analytics can enhance decision-making, streamline IT service management, and improve security posture. Here's how you can use Ivanti Neurons effectively for predictive analytics and insights. 1. Predictive IT asset management. Ivanti Neurons can be used to predict hardware and software failures before they occur. By analyzing patterns in historical data, machine learning models within the platform can forecast when devices are likely to need maintenance or replacement. This helps avoid unplanned downtime and enhances asset life cycle management. 2. Automated incident prediction and resolution. The platform can analyze incident trends and proactively identify potential issues. For example, if certain events lead to system outages or performance degradation, Ivanti neurons can predict similar incidents in the future. Automation workflows can be triggered to resolve these issues before they affect end users. 3. Proactive security and vulnerability management. Ivanti Neurons uses AI to analyze threat patterns and vulnerabilities in your IT infrastructure. It can predict potential security breaches by correlating past data and threat intelligence feeds. This allows your IT team to act quickly, patch vulnerabilities, and take preventive measures. 4. Capacity planning and forecasting. By analyzing trends in system usage, Ivanti neurons can predict future capacity requirements for servers, networks, and cloud resources. This allows businesses to plan and scale their infrastructure efficiently, ensuring they are prepared for demand spikes or growth without overcommitting resources. 5. Predictive Service Desk Insights. Ivanti Neurons provides insights into service desk performance by predicting which types of service requests are likely to increase or which service issues are trending. This data can help improve resource allocation, response times, and overall customer service by anticipating needs and bottlenecks. 6. Advanced Analytics for ITSM and ITEM. Ivanti Neurons combines predictive analytics with IT Service Management, ITSM, and IT Operations Management, ITEM, to provide deeper insights into operational efficiency. It can predict potential service disruptions, user experience issues, and areas for process optimization. 7. Machine Learning for Trend Analysis. The platform's machine learning capabilities can uncover hidden patterns in your IT operations, such as user behavior trends, system anomalies, and operational inefficiencies. These insights can be used for long-term planning and continuous process improvement. 8. Resource optimization and cost efficiency. Predictive analytics can forecast resource consumption trends, enabling businesses to optimize their IT investments. By predicting usage patterns, Ivanti Neurons can suggest cost-effective strategies for optimizing cloud and on-premises resources. Key benefits: improved decision-making. Data-driven insights help businesses make more informed decisions. Cost savings. Predictive analytics can prevent over-provisioning and underutilization of resources. Enhanced security. Proactive threat prediction reduces the likelihood of security breaches. Increased operational efficiency. Anticipating problems allows for quicker remediation and less disruption. Better user experience. Predicting and resolving issues before they affect end users ensures smooth operations. Securing IT environments with Ivanti Neurons Security Automation. Ivanti Neurons Security Automation is a solution designed to help secure IT environments by automating security tasks and responses. It focuses on reducing the complexity and manual intervention needed to detect, respond to, and remediate security threats. Here's how it works and the key benefits it offers for securing IT environments. Key features and benefits: automated threat detection and response. Ivanti Neurons Security Automation leverages machine learning and AI to automatically detect threats and anomalies in real time. It can identify vulnerabilities and security risks across your infrastructure, including endpoints, networks, and cloud environments. When a threat is detected, it can trigger automated responses such as isolating affected systems, blocking access, or initiating other remediation actions to minimize damage. Integration with IT security tools. It integrates seamlessly with a wide range of security solutions, including firewalls, endpoint protection software, and SIEM, security information and event management platforms. This ensures that security data is collected and analyzed comprehensively, enabling more accurate threat detection and better coordination between different security technologies. Incident Management Automation. The system automates incident workflows to streamline security response and investigation processes. By reducing the manual effort involved in incident management, it accelerates response times and improves efficiency, helping to mitigate potential breaches faster. Policy enforcement. It helps enforce security policies automatically, ensuring that security configurations, such as patch management, firewall rules, and user access controls, are consistently applied. This reduces human error and ensures that security policies are always up to date and aligned with industry best practices. Vulnerability remediation. The solution helps identify and patch vulnerabilities across your IT environment. It can automatically apply security patches and updates to systems and software, reducing the risk of exploitation. Automated patching and vulnerability management ensure that your environment is protected without the need for manual intervention. Reduced operational overhead. By automating repetitive security tasks, Ivanti Neurons helps reduce operational overhead, allowing security teams to focus on more strategic activities, such as threat hunting and improving overall security posture. The solution's ability to provide automated responses also helps lower the chances of human error during critical security processes. Compliance and reporting. Ivanti Neurons security automation helps organizations stay compliant with various regulatory frameworks by automating tasks that are required for compliance reporting. It generates detailed reports on security incidents, patching activities, and policy enforcement, making it easier to demonstrate compliance during audits. Ivanti Neurons for endpoint management, simplifying device control. Ivanti Neurons for endpoint management is a comprehensive solution that simplifies device control and enhances endpoint security. It leverages artificial intelligence, AI, and automation to provide seamless management and protection of endpoints, regardless of whether they are on-premises or remote. Here's an overview of how it simplifies device control. 1. Unified Endpoint Management, UEM. Centralized management. Ivanti Neurons allows IT administrators to manage all types of endpoints, laptops, desktops, mobile devices, IoT devices, from a single console, reducing the complexity of handling multiple management tools. Cross-platform support. It supports various operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android, enabling a unified approach to endpoint management across diverse environments. 2. Automated device enrollment. Zero-touch enrollment. Devices can be automatically enrolled when they are first powered on, saving time and reducing manual configuration errors. Bulk enrollment. Admins can quickly onboard multiple devices using pre-configured settings or integration with existing systems, such as Active Directory or Microsoft Endpoint Manager. 3. Advanced security and compliance. Patch management. Ivanti ensures that devices are up to date with the latest patches, reducing vulnerabilities and ensuring compliance with security standards. Security policies. It enforces security policies for devices, such as encryption, firewall configurations, and antivirus settings, helping to protect against data breaches and malware attacks. Threat detection and response. AI-driven analytics help detect potential security threats in real time and automate remediation processes to reduce manual intervention. 4. AI-powered insights. Proactive management. Ivanti Neurons uses machine learning to predict and prevent issues before they occur, based on historical data and usage patterns. Intelligent automation. The platform can automatically respond to common device issues, such as applying updates or performing diagnostics, reducing downtime and administrative workload. 5. Remote device control. Remote troubleshooting. Ivanti allows IT teams to remotely access and troubleshoot devices, even if they are outside the corporate network, reducing the need for on-site support. Remote lock arrays. In case of theft or loss, devices can be remotely locked or wiped to ensure sensitive data is protected. 6. User experience and self-service. Self-service portal. Users can access a self-service portal to request support, update software, or change settings, which empowers employees and reduces IT support tickets. Device performance monitoring. Real-time monitoring of device performance helps IT teams address potential problems proactively, ensuring smooth user experiences. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based solution. Ivanti Neurons for Endpoint Management is cloud-native, allowing organizations to scale the solution as their device fleet grows without significant infrastructure changes. Maximizing IT efficiency with Ivanti Neurons automation and AI integration. Ivanti Neurons is a platform that leverages automation, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to enhance IT efficiency. Here's how Ivanti Neurons can help maximize IT efficiency through its automation and AI integration. 1. Automated incident management. Ivanti Neurons can automatically detect and respond to IT incidents in real time. It uses AI-driven capabilities to categorize, prioritize, and assign incidents, significantly reducing the need for manual intervention. The platform can even offer automated solutions to common issues, allowing IT teams to focus on higher priority tasks. 2. Predictive maintenance and issue prevention. Leveraging machine learning, Ivanti Neurons can predict potential issues before they occur by analyzing historical data and trends. It can proactively manage and remediate problems, reducing downtime and improving system reliability. 3. AI-powered service desk. The AI-integrated service desk enhances support operations by using virtual agents, chatbots, to handle routine requests and inquiries. This reduces the burden on support teams and improves response times, providing users with faster resolutions. 4. Intelligent automation of repetitive tasks. Ivanti Neurons automates manual, repetitive IT tasks such as software installations, patch management, and system configurations. This frees up IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives, improving overall productivity. 5. Efficient IT asset management. Ivanti Neurons' AI-driven capabilities can enhance asset management by automatically detecting and cataloging devices, monitoring usage patterns, and ensuring compliance. This reduces human errors in asset tracking and optimizes resource allocation. 6. Self-healing capabilities. Ivanti Neurons can automatically resolve common IT issues such as system performance degradation or connectivity problems without human intervention. This leads to fewer escalations and a more efficient use of IT resources. 7. End-to-end automation across IT operations. With its integration of AI and automation across various IT processes, Ivanti Neurons can ensure seamless operations in areas like patch management, software distribution, and network monitoring. It helps to identify inefficiencies and optimize processes to drive operational effectiveness. 8. AI-driven insights and analytics. Ivanti Neurons provides advanced analytics capabilities, offering IT leaders data-driven insights into system performance, user experience, and IT service delivery. These insights help in making informed decisions and optimizing IT operations. 9. Adaptive security. Ivanti Neurons also integrates with security solutions to deliver adaptive security measures that can identify, respond, and mitigate threats in real time, reducing the potential for security breaches while ensuring compliance. 10. Scalability and flexibility. The platform's automation and AI capabilities scale across an organization, regardless of its size, allowing IT teams to handle increased workloads more effectively. This scalability ensures that businesses can continue to optimize IT efficiency as they grow. Why choose ProExcellency for Ivanti Neurons online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Ivanti Neurons online training offers several advantages that can enhance your learning experience and ensure you gain the skills and expertise needed to effectively use Ivanti Neurons in your organization. 1. Expert trainers. ProExcellency employs trainers who have in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience with Ivanti Neurons. Their expertise allows them to offer practical insights and address specific challenges you may encounter, ensuring you get more than just theoretical knowledge. 2. Customized learning path. ProExcellency tailors the training curriculum to meet your specific needs, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced user. This personalized approach helps you grasp the concepts that are most relevant to your role and business environment. 3. Hands-on training. Ivanti Neurons is a powerful platform, and ProExcellency's approach emphasizes practical learning. You will engage in interactive, real-life scenarios that help solidify your understanding of key functionalities like automation, IT asset management, and service delivery. 4. Flexible online learning. You can attend the training from anywhere, and ProExcellency offers flexible schedules, allowing you to balance learning with work. Their online platform ensures a seamless learning experience with all necessary resources at your fingertips. 5. Comprehensive course content. The curriculum covers all the key aspects of Ivanti Neurons, including automation and AI in IT management, self-healing capabilities, predictive analytics for service delivery, integration with other IT service management tools. 6. Industry-relevant content. ProExcellency's training is designed to align with real-world business scenarios, making sure you can apply what you learn immediately to improve your organization's IT operations, efficiency, and service management. 7. Post-training support. After completing the course, ProExcellency offers continued support through forums, one-on-one sessions, and access to updated materials, ensuring you have the resources you need to implement Ivanti Neurons effectively. 8. A cost-effective training. ProExcellency provides training at competitive rates without compromising on quality. This ensures you receive value for your investment in developing your Ivanti Neurons skills. 9. Positive reviews and feedback. ProExcellency has a proven track record with many students and organizations praising the quality of training. Their testimonials often highlight the real-world applicability, expert guidance, and flexibility of the training programs. Thank you.